Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows Wednesday with Bob's Computer Service. Today I'm going to show you how quickly show file extensions in File Explorer. It's super simple and just takes a few seconds. Let's go. Open up File Explorer by opening up any file folder on the desktop, or if you don't have those, the little folder icon here in the taskbar. Up at the top you're going to see View, and you'll just hit View, Show, once you hover over it for a second, and you're going to hit File Extensions. And as you can see, it's added file extensions on all your different files. Whether it be JPEG, PDF, MP4, they're all there. This is super handy if you're trying to make sure you've opened the right kind of file, or if you're renaming something. And that's it. Quick and easy, and now you can see exactly what kind of files you are working with. If you ever want to turn it off, just go back to View, Show, and unclick File Extensions. And there you have it. If this helped you out, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for simple Windows tips every Wednesday. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.